Hello guys, welcome to another part of the tutorial. Let's just continue from where we stopped the last time. So this is where we left off. As you can see, the likes, the comments, the shares, the number of likes, comments, and shares. The text sizes are too big. So let's make this 1717. Okay, that should be fine. The sizes are way too big. 1717 will be fine for it. Okay, now let's go back. So you see here, this is okay. So the next part is actually making this line that you're seeing, the tiny gray line. So we can do this using a view. Let's say view. My computer started again. Sorry, I'm coming. Okay. So call the view. The width of this should be match parent, and then the height should be wrap contents. So we can say Android background, the color should be black. Yeah, it covers everything, I know. So let's walk through this. So change the height of this to 1 dp, so it will now be small. Remember, we have to drag it down. So click on the view, make sure it's selected, and then start dragging it down. This is it, down there. Now let's zoom in back again. So there is it, it's there. But let's make some few changes. First of all, constrain this to this, and then for the left and right, do same thing and same thing here. There are other ways to do this. You can use drawable file to do this. The color is too black. We want it to be gray instead of pure black, but I don't think we have a gray color. Do we have a gray color? Let me check. Values, colors. We don't really have a gray color. So let's create a gray color. Change it to gray. Sorry, gray. Then change the color. So this one is fine. This one is fine. We don't want to make it too white. It's fine like this. Okay, so come into your layout again, and then change that color property to gray. See, there is it. So the spaces are, the lines are added. Now the second thing is design these buttons, the like button and the comments. Okay, so we will do that in another layout. Okay, that is fine. So we click on layout, then go to new layout resource file, and here we say, let's just call it single post second layout. Sorry about that. So this one will be almost the same thing like the other one. So let's copy the stuff from this one here. Let's copy everything here, copy, and then come to this layout and paste it here. Then we have to, when we change a few stuff, okay, But first we need those images, those drawable images. So right click on your drawable, go to this time vector assets instead of the image assets, because we want to use SVGs for this. Okay, so click on the Android, then when it open, the first one is the thumbs up kind of icon. Okay, look at it here, the thumb up kind of icon. So here we can just click thumbs. Okay, this is the thumbs up. If this icon is okay for you, use it. But if you have your own custom icon, you can use it as well. So let's call it like, then change the color of this, bring it back to gray. Gray is fine. Yeah, this is actually fine. Okay, then this should be okay. Let's see, I don't have anyone. Okay, so this should be okay. Sorry, change this thing again to like. Just like BTN. So click OK, and then drawable like BTN. So wait for it to be added. Okay, it's added. Now we'll do the second thing for the vector assets for the comments too. Okay. Here we can just say, we can just, okay, comments, we have comments stuff there. Import it. Let's say comment BTN. The next, and it's okay. The next one is a share BTN. Okay, vector assets, then click here, dialog will pop up, and then we can just say share test, share. Okay, we have the share icon, and import it, and then call it share BTN. Click next, and then finish it. Okay, so the icons are done importing. Now we want to change, first of all, to the first one, change their IDs first. This will be called like BTN. Let's copy these to others. So this should be comments BTN. I don't know if the Android Studio might give errors because the IDs are actually the same IDs with our drawables. I don't know if it will give errors. I haven't tried it. So this we call share BTN. And now the next thing to do is to change this to remove the 20 out, and then let's see, the image is at the left hand side. Yeah, the left hand side. So we can just say Android drawable left, and then we call our drawable call like BTN, like BTN. So it's added there, as you can see. Let's try to increase the text size now to 20 sp again. Okay, replace with drawable start. Let's alt enter drawable start. Okay, so copy the same thing here to this. So this will change to comment TN. Okay, and also same thing here. So change to share BTN. Okay, 10 shares, capital letter, likes, capital letter. Oh, this should be fine. 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 should be fine. Okay, now back to our drawable file, our layout, our main layout. So we still use the include tag here again, same thing as we did before. We say include, this time layouts, and this layout will be called second layouts, single second layout. Then so let's deal with this layout width and height so as to avoid what happened the other time. Okay, so you go back to the design tab and then you drag it below, then zoom in, then constrain it to that line, then also to left and right, okay, it should be fine. As you can see, it's looking nice, looking good. Let's reduce this thing to, let's say, 2 dp. Okay, so there's the line, and then the next, is there any other thing to do? There should be, we'll add this layout later. This is for the comments, and it also, if you scroll a little bit further, you see the comment section where the user can just type in comments instead of clicking on the comments button and then takes the user to the comment activity. Okay, oh, let's see, this design is fine. Like, I like this design. This is a very nice design. I like it. I don't even like it, but I like it. Okay, so what are we gonna do next? I think for now we are done with our layout design. So guys, if you there's something again I want to tell you. This application might crash. Like, okay, first of all, I've been using Firebase for years now, and believe me when I tell you that this application might crash on devices that's on lower version of Android devices. The reason is because of dexing issues. But if you know, we added this thing, the multi-dex support. Where is it? Here, the multi-dex support. But we didn't add it here. And even if we had it here, it might still crash. I'll pause this tutorial here, and when I come back, I'll show you. I'll tell you what to do, how to solve that problem. Devices like from Android 4.0 to Android 4.4, it might crash, but from Android 5.0 to 8 point, the application will work well. Like, it will work the way it's supposed to. So guys, this is it for this tutorial. I'm gonna stop here. So once I come next time, we'll enter our adapter class and start initializing all this widget that we created. Okay, here, this is the adapter class. Start initializing them, start binding them, and using our interface to set an on-click listener to everything. Okay, so guys, then I'm gonna pause it here. So if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and also hit the like button if you like it, share it with your friends, all of that. See you in the next tutorial.